Good day everybody, and welcome to my channel. I apologise if you hear creaking and groaning noises because I'm having to use the speaker on my laptop rather than having an external speaker, as I've moved house and everything and it's a little bit difficult to find things at the moment. So, welcome to Second Saturday Art Video Hop. And the prompts for this month's video hop are Father's Day, Summer, Strawberries, Lemonade, Zoo, Aquarium and Rainforest Day. And if you can't see it by now, I've actually chosen strawberries, but it will be only one, so that will be a strawberry. Ah, dear. Last year, at some point, I went on holiday to Arles in France, and it's where all the great painters have visited and everything. It's where Van Gogh did his Starry Night. And while I was there, as a nice little souvenir, I picked up this watercolour set, which is a Van Gogh watercolour set. So the colours are a little bit different to what I'm used to, and I'm not a watercolour artist by any means, and I much prefer to paint in acrylics, but for this it's easier for me to film anyway, to film on watercolour because it's flat on the surface, whereas if I did acrylics it would actually be up on an easel. So yeah, this is a strawberry coming together. I don't know whether you want me to tell you the colours, because there are little different colour names for them, so you know I can't really see on the pans what the colours are. I'll say the colours are different rather than I can actually see what the very small writing on the watercolour pans are. Yeah, I'd probably have to take a magnifying glass out and make them much larger for me to be able to see it, or I could photograph it actually and then enlarge it on a photograph so I could see what the writing actually says. That's the joys of getting older. You cannot read small writing for the life of you. I have to go around supermarkets, and even with my glasses on, I have to take a photograph of the ingredients so that I can read them and take a photograph, enlarge it, and then be able to read what the writing says on the ingredients. Of course, because I'm a celiac and I need to be very careful of things that I eat so that I'm not eating anything that will make me ill. Oh dear, so there you go. I'm getting a little bit of depth on this, managing to get a little bit of depth, which is good. You know, put in shadows and highlights and things. And at some point during this, I decided I was fed up of doing around the pips, and I just painted all over them. Yeah, because there are a lot of pips on a strawberry. And you know, if I actually tried to do every single one, we would be here forever. So I don't think I've done it yet. I think I just get a little bit fed up with it and go, yeah, nah. That was supposed to be a very highlighted area, so I believe I concentrated on that area more than the others, but of course to get a highlight you do have to do a dark as well. So there's a lot of, as you know, with watercolours, it's you can get in several layers before you can't get any more depth than that. So I'm not sure whether I mix up the colours or what I do, but anyway, we're going back to the green for the stalks. And I play a little bit around with this. I thought maybe they weren't big enough, I think, and then I did enlarging, and you know, you just go with what you feel when you're painting, don't you? It's either going to be a good one or not, and this is an average one. So yeah. Yeah, I think it's there. I actually decided to just paint over all of it and be done with it. I may put a few back in, I don't know. it's been a little while since I painted this, and I don't exactly remember quite what I did, and it's been a while. I had to go and look up everything on how to make videos again because I'd completely forgotten. So another thing, as you get older, if you don't use something for a while, you lose it. So yeah, how to make videos was one of them. I'm still getting back into the swing of things, which is why I'm not going to add music. I'm just going to talk over it, and hopefully that's enough. I don't know whether you can hear the creaking of the lines when I say I moved house. I've actually moved back onto our yacht, and it's very windy today. And of course today I thought I actually had, I thought I'd brought my microphone with me, and I probably have, but it's probably still in a bag somewhere, not unpacked. So you'll hear every other noise that's going on, I suppose. I won't know until I re-listen to this back, and I might be talking a load of rubbish. Who knows? I'm still trying to put in highlights and low lights, shadows, dark and light, and putting in lights again. It's all just going with how I feel about how it looks as I'm going along. Some mistakes you can't alter, other mistakes you can. I'm not saying that was a mistake, but I'm saying that that was how I was feeling about it. Didn't come out as I wanted to originally, but hey, you have this vision in your mind's eye, and sometimes it comes through, sometimes it doesn't. So as we come to the end of this video, I'd just like to say thank you very much for watching, and I hope you like the video. Please give me a thumbs up, like, comment, whatever, and don't forget to check out all the other wonderful artists that are taking part in this hop. Sorry, and their links will be in the description box below this video. So thanks very much again, and hope to see you all again very soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.